Hey there, friends. This is just a brief video. We watched the SpaceX liftoff tonight, the launch, and the two boosters that came down. One of them landed perfectly. The other one missed the boat. That's okay. It was complex what they're trying to do. Live and learn, trial and error. So I was going over the calculator of tomorrow today. It's like all these Python tools. It's just a kind of a graphing calculator, but this is how we do it now with a real keyboard and a real size screen. And if you're like in high school and you're not getting any of this training, your peers are in other schools. And so why aren't you? And if you're a parent, you're worried that your kid is not getting a good education, it's the usual thing. Are they getting polyhedra? That's been my question. But that's for another video. So we had a great time sharing tonight. I showed them the calculator of tomorrow and onward, right?